Can't believe I get to get you on camera. Yeah, for North-South Motorway projects as well.
Lots of projects.
I know. No worries. I can't believe to get you on camera for the first time. Hey. Port Dock opening, railway line opening, of course.
Yes.
I was thinking you might get me on one of your videos.
I think I did catch you.
When I got on at Bowden.
Oh, yeah. I think I would have put you on camera because I was doing a live stream.
So were you streaming from Facebook or YouTube, whatever?
Just YouTube.
Oh, just
I
you.
do both.
It takes too much gigabytes, yeah. Right, fair enough. Leaves in 1 minute, which I'll be filming that one leaving.